Hello, in this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through recovery mode on VIVO V50e. So you have to start by powering off your device. And now when your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume up button at the same time. And from here you have to use the volume buttons to move to recovery mode and then press power button. And now select clear data and click clear all data. Now click OK. And now select return, and now you can go back and click restart, then click OK. And as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings and I have to perform phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.